Hello student, good afternoon. Welcome to Sri Durgaji Public School, Sehra Azamgarh. Myself, Manish Upadhyay. Dear student, today I am going to teach you the third stanza of the poem on Jennifer's Tiger, which is composed by Edwin Rich. Dear student, first I will read the third stanza and after that I will explain it. Okay? When aunt is dead, her terrified hand will lie, still ringed with audience she was mastered by. The tiger in the panel that she made will go on prancing proud and unafraid. Dear friend, some difficult words as audience, which means difficult task. Audial, which means difficult task. Now I will explain the third stanza. When aunt is dead, her terrified hand will lie, still ring with audience she was mastered by. The poet says that when the aunt Jennifer is dead, the poet says that when the aunt Jennifer is dead, her hand will tell the whole story of her unhappy life. The tiger in the panel that she made will go on prancing proud and unafraid. But the tiger she had made in the panel will go on jumping ahead, proud and unafraid. She will not live in this world, but her art and the tiger that she create in the panel will go on jumping as ever. Dear friend, please underline this line. When aunt is dead, when aunt is dead, her terrified hand will lie. There is synecdoche figure of speech in this line. There is synecdoche figure of speech in this line. Please underline this line. Which lines? When aunt is dead, her terrified hand, underline the terrified hand, will lie. Okay? I tell the definition of what is synecdoche. Synecdoche is a figure of speech in which a part stands. Synecdoche is a figure of speech in which a part stands for the whole, and thus something else is understood within the things mentioned. Okay, student? Dear student, by this poem, which poem? By this poem, the name on Jennifer's tiger, the poet Andrew Ridge want to represent the life of a woman who has to live under a constant fear from her husband. Also, she will only get freedom when she will die. Okay? Irony is also used in this poem. It is ironical that on Jennifer's creation, the tigers will continue to spread freely, while she will be terrified and some massive event after death. The poet also uses symbolism as wedding band is the symbol of oppression, on Jennifer's is the symbol of woman who is fearful, frail and oppressed. Okay, student? In this way, your poem is, which name is On Jennifer's, is over. Thank you.